Namaste. We are going to practice Rhythmic Pranayam Part 2 today. Those who are new to this concept or who want to understand the fundamentals a little deeper are requested to please practice Part 1 first and then later join into the Part 2. Rhythmic Pranayam basically means breathing mindfully with certain time ratios in mind. And the purpose is to create a state of harmony, a state of equanimity, a state of balance between different rhythms going on inside our body. Brain, heart, lungs, immunity, hormones. The aim is to bring all of them into a state of healthy coherence. So friends, let us start by closing our eyes and focusing on our breaths. Allowing the breaths to naturally become deeper and longer, and noticing how the mind calms down. With breath observation, the agitations of the mind settle down and a state of clarity and calm sets in. And with this wonderful state of inner union, let us start with 3 chants of the Om. Breathe in. So let's start, and we begin with warm-up breaths. First we'll do Kapalbhati, exhaling actively, flapping the belly in and inhaling passively. So let's start. As you carry on, observe that how your belly flaps in with the active exhalation. Inhalations are passive, they happen on their own and the belly relaxes. The sound of Kapalbhati is felt only while exhaling and not while inhaling. And this sound is not coming due to any tightness in the facial muscles, but it is coming because it is generated from inside our abdomen out. So let's carry on. In our day-to-day exhalations, which are very small, we are trying to make them a little stronger so that we remove the toxins from the body. Alright, our eyes are closed, friends. And now we stop the practice to experience the reward of doing Kapalbhati. And that is a pause. A pause in our breaths. And a state of calm thoughtlessness. A perfectly peaceful pause. You could call it instant peace of mind which sets in with Kapalbhati. And now the breaths have come back to normal. So let's move ahead, friends. The next warm-up breath we are going to do today is scientific Bhastrika or rib cage breathing. So we hinge the inner edge of the hand on our lower ribs. Not on the waist, but the lower ribs. And as we exhale, we press the hands into the ribs. Inhaling, the ribs push our hands out. Okay? So let's start. Exhale, push in. Inhale, ribs expand out. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Carry on. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, we make it little faster. Exhale, inhale. And now you may be making some sounds from the nose. It's okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. 2 more. Exhale, Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands down, close your eyes. Feel that pause in your breaths once again. Calm, neutral mind. A state of restful alertness. Let your breaths get back to normal, better than before. Take your time, there is no hurry. Everything is accompanied with an experience, so we should not miss the experience. Practice followed by the experience. Okay, let's move ahead now with the spinal breathing. So as we exhale, we take our abdomen in and round the lower back, convex behind. Inhale, straighten the spine. Exhale, abdomen in, round your back. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, abdomen in, round your back. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, abdomen in, camel back like that of Marjarasana. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, abdomen in, round your back, friends. Inhale, straighten, and one more time. Exhale, round your back. This is great to do away with the stiffness of the lower back. And inhale to straighten. Let's now add forward bending to that. So after exhaling, rounding the back, we bend down and exhale same time. So practically we are giving double time to breathing out. And then inhaling, we raise ourselves up. Okay, friends? So exhale, abdomen in, round your back. Exhaling, forward bend. And inhale as you raise your trunk up. Exhale, abdomen in, round the spine. Exhale, bend down. Inhale to come up. Exhale, abdomen in, round the back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, up, two more. Exhale, abdomen in, round the spine. Bend forward as you continue exhaling. Inhale up, and one more, friends. Exhale, abdomen in. Continue exhaling as you bend down and come up, inhaling. Wonderful. So after these three breath warm up, let's do our tick-tock breathing. Something very interesting. If you remember, elbows touch the side of the body. Okay, one palm is up and the other palm is turned down. And we do this type of rhythmic movement. Alright? Friends, we had broken the breath into 4 equal parts and we'll do the same right now. Okay? So just a recap. In, out, 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 out. So let's start. You all are aware of it. Get your arms in place. Start the tick-tock movement to build the rhythm in your nervous system. 4, 3, 2, 1. In, out, 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 out. 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 In, out, out, one more. In, out, 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 out. Hands down, eyes closed. Feel that pause. Pause in your thoughts too. And now, we'll do the same practice. So eyes are open now. With the hands turned the other way down. So the palm that was up turns down and vice versa. Be with me. Tick tock, moving your arms. Tick tock, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, out, 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 out. In, out, 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 out. In, out, 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 out. in, 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 out, 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 out. Out, 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 in, out, 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 in, out, 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 out. One more. In, out, 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 out. Hands down. You may close your eyes. Notice your thoughtless mind without any effort. You are meditating. After the brain gym, now the mind says, I want to relax. And slowly, we are all set to move ahead. So let's open our eyes, friends. Now, we are going to do 6 parts. Okay? So you have to practice the breath part with me first. I'll show it to you. 4 equal parts to inhaling, 4 equal parts to exhaling. In, out, 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 out. Will you join in? Okay, let's practice the breathing first. So 4, 3, 2, 1. In, out, 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 out. 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 Great. So this was little faster because we have to accommodate the 6 parts in the same duration of 1 inhalation and 1 exhalation. So now let's get back to our hands. 1 palm up, 1 palm down. Let's start the tick-tock. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. 4, 3, 2, 1. In, out, 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 out. 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 In and out, 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 out. Hands down, close your eyes. Let's not miss the calm, the experience. We realize there is something above the mind, and that is our awareness. We are so aware. Wow. Nature is supporting us. Beautiful. Let's now open our eyes, friends. Now, in case you found the 6-6 difficult, don't despair. It's okay, right? Sometimes the hands tend to go like this, okay? So it doesn't matter. It's all about practice and we can all get it. So now round 2 of 6-6. Turn your palms and let's start the tick-tock. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. 4, 3, 2, 1. In, out, 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 out. 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 In and out, 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 out. Get your down hands, eyes closed. Calm mind. Just enjoy. Feel that state of inner joy, a state of inner bliss you are experiencing. This doesn't depend on anything outside. It Take your time. You are meditating actually, effortlessly. You're not forcing your mind. It's in a state of calm so naturally. Now I know you don't want to open your eyes, but we have to move ahead right now. So you may rub your palms, massage your face, and open your eyes. So now friends, we are all set. Sorry for that. We are all set to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Okay, we had done it last time. And this is going to be with the chant of Om, 5 seconds each. Remember, the sound of Om and then the bell, tongue, okay? So are we ready for that? We are going to close the right nostril. Begin by breathing out from the left with 1 Om. Then we'll inhale along with 1 Om from the same side, that is the left side. We'll close the left, open the right, breathe out with 1 Om, same side, inhale with 1 Om. And then after a few cycles, whenever you want, whenever you're ready for it, we'll make the ratio 1:2. So you're going to inhale with 1 Om and exhale with 2 Ohms. Okay? So it's the time ratio of 1:2. And why do we do that? Because we want to make our exhalations better. In our day-to-day breathing, we breathe in small and our breathing out is very, very small. So we're trying to sort of wash out or nullify the effects which have set in, the wrong effects that have set in because of poor breathing. Alright? So now we are all ready. Are we ready? Okay, close your eyes. Close your right nostril with the right thumb. Left side, exhale now. Inhale from the left side. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right side. Open your left. Exhale. Inhale. And now you're on your own. Have your ratio of 1:1 or 1:2, but enjoy the practice. Eyes are closed. stop the practice as you complete. Hands down, eyes closed. To feel that state of poise and calm inside. Be with that state of calm, state of balance. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. A pranayam that brings a balance also between the left and right side of the body, brain and our physiology. Eyes remain closed. Take your time, we are not in a hurry. Every practice of mindful breathing takes us to this state of meditation, if you realize. Isn't that amazing? And without the experience, the practice becomes so mechanical otherwise. So let's now rub our palms. Give a soothing massage to our face and open our eyes. Great. Must be feeling nice and good. So now we are ready to move ahead. So today we are going to practice a rhythmic breathing of equal ratio. Right? Because now the lungs are all ready, we have been breathing so well. So we can actually breathe deeper in equal ratios. Okay? And the mantra that I am going to use today for you is a beautiful one. A universal mantra. Vaheguru. Vahe, it is an expression of ecstasy and awe. Guru. Guru is the one who helps dispel all darkness and take us towards real light. So it's an expression of awe and ecstasy for that divinity. Okay? Now, just listen to that first. Inhale. This is how we go. Inhaling. Now we'll exhale. Eyes are closed. Inhale. Exhale. Your hands are comfortable in your lap. Inhale. Eyes are closed. Listen to the sound. Eyes are closed. Feel the calm. You may just enjoy the vibrations now. If you don't feel like breathing along with it, it's okay. Just be with the vibrations. Now, let's keep our eyes closed. Maintaining that same state of inner poise and calm, we will be closing the session with 3 hums of the Brahmari. So friends, mouth is closed, eyes are closed, the tongue lightly touches the roof of the mouth. And now let us inhale and do the humming. Inhale. Join the hands together in the Namaskar Mudra as we pray, and the bhava of the prayer is good for all, health for all, peace for all. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's rub the palms. Give a soothing, caring massage to our face, to the forehead, over our eyes. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes with a few breaths. Take your time. Since you've been sitting for a while, you can extend your legs in front of you, move them, shake them, and then have a great day ahead of you. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you very much.